Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Zcash, followed by GALA, SAN, Syrup, DEXE, IOTA, JASMY, BTT, Wall, and then we end it with PYTH at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Zcash against USD. Okay, so I think Zcash is going to drop lower towards $20. We are actually under the skinny pink line. Yeah, no, Zcash is not looking too good to me. I think we're going to drop lower, but from a chart pattern perspective, nothing for us to work with. Moving on, GALA against USD. Here we are for GALA. GALA is quite disappointing. Oh my god. We've already taken out the all-time lows over here and formed a new all-time low. Are we going to form a mountain range to head lower? Yeah, potentially we could be going back under 1 cent. No clear signs of a bullish reversal. SAN against USD. Here we are for SAN. SAN is still... I suspect SAN is about to clear these cells here. I think SAN is going to drop lower. I don't know, bro. Of course, things could start turning bullish from here, but... yeah, it's relatively weak though. Maybe a little bit lower towards like 20 cents. Yeah, again, it feels to me like the whales looking to clear all of these cell classes. So yeah, I will stay away from Sandbox. Syrup against USD. Here we are for Syrup. I think Syrup is going to drop back down eventually. This is a rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower. However, we don't see the bearish reversal chart pattern yet. So yeah, I mean, if we do come back down here, we get a head and shoulders. Hey, we could be going lower, but there's just nothing yet for Syrup. DEXE. DEXE was the trade of the month of June. So for DEXE, we actually did fantastic. We had a very clear, high quality chart pattern over here. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, bam! We slammed down. We hit targets. Yes, we did overachieve our targets. Usually when the trend is very, very bearish, you see these kind of things. And when it's a short, right? Shorts are usually very, very fast. Shorts are very short in terms of its time. So yeah, even when it fell here, right? Drop, mountain, bam! We fell. So what the whales did was it cleared all these cell clusters, everything was cleared. So my suspicion is we're gonna clear this. $5 is kind of written, in my opinion, in the cards, more likely than not. Should we get another mountain range over here? Hey, I'll be more than happy to put on shorts for it to go down towards $5, right? Because I suspect there could be a rally coming on. We might drop a little bit more, but then we could be rallying towards the skinny pink line. And then we come back down, and yeah, maybe around here, once we see a clear chart pattern. So there you go, technical analysis works. IOTA against USD, so I just want to remind you that for IOTA, there is a very, very high quality big squeeze in the making. You can see that this is an A, B, C. I'm not too sure if this is the D though. We could still drop a little bit lower, clear these cell classes before reversing back up. I think IOTA, if and when the time comes, is going to go bananas towards the upside, probably double digit. Right, there is I think Abu Dhabi behind IOTA. I'm not too sure though, but yeah, I think IOTA is going to do well. If and when the time comes. Right now, things might look a bit stagnant. I think we'll probably clear these cell clusters. So we might stop at like 11 cents. A bit of a noise over here. We are at the upper portion. We might drop down to the center area, sub 12 cents. And then for that, we could see a banana rally come on for IOTA. But as it stands, yeah, I would preach caution. Here we go. JASMY against USD. So here we are for JASMY. Anything for JASMY? Nothing much though. We're under the skinny pink line. Again, this looks to me like a mountain range in the making, right? We'll be getting a descending triangle as we hit lower for JASMY. So I think JASMY is coming back towards this very nice ABCDE ascending triangle. You can also call it an ascending. Value 1, value 2, value 3. That's it. Bananas, right? And it's always very important that we take profits. So yeah, this was also an overachievement. We went much higher. There was a head and shoulders over here. We went even higher. Right, the wheels of JASMY cleared everything before pulling the price lower. And so yeah, here we are. I still would expect mountain ranges for JASMY as it hits lower. BTT against USD. Here we are for BitTorrent. Anything for BitTorrent? Yeah, I think we're gonna clear. I think we've already cleared this though. Yeah, I think we're gonna clear this as well. I suspect we're gonna drop lower for BTT. How much lower? 5,000. We're at 6,000. So yeah, a little bit more for BTT. But in the bigger perspective, right? I suspect BTT could be forming something like a squeeze over here. Something like that. Right? Something like that. Can you see this? Something will be coming in 2026, but right now we are on a downwards trend. So I think we're gonna cross 5,000 for BTT. Walrus against USD. Here we are for Walrus. Walrus is lower low. Any signs of life? No. Any tradable chart pattern? No. PYTH network. PYTH against USD. Here we are for PYTH. Anything for PYTH? Oh boy. PYTH is also not looking good. We keep getting lower lows. Lower lows. It's a downwards trend. Lower highs. Lower highs. Oh my god. Any signs of life? No. We had an inverse head and shoulders over here. Yeah, but we failed to take out this high, you see. So it just kept forming. Yeah. Not looking too good. I think we're still gonna drop a bit lower first, right? Yeah, again, no signs of life yet. So I would preach caution when it comes to PYTH. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for the top 100. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!